उधर प्रॉपर रिकॉर्डिंग या
अभी बंद हो गई रिकॉर्डिंग, अभी स्टार्ट
बंद
करो।
से?
Okay. Greetings to all. I am Sahil Khoe. We are from KBT College of Engineering. Here we are for project-based learning. We are now discussing on new tech, and I am here discussing upon the topic MoveMemo, which is multiple input, multiple output technology used in wireless communication, in which user or terminals, each radioing over one or more antennas, communicate with one another, which allows the devices to access the internet and data communication at faster rates. And it's one of the revolutionized technology which helps us to digitalize our content. And the technology leverages multiple uses, especially distributed transmission resources at the cost of somewhat more expensive signal processing. MoveMemo, MoveMemo significantly increases the data transfer rates, and the and the and it allows us to do our work in a significant time. And over to you, Farhan. Farhan.
Thank you. And I am Farhan. And today we're gonna discuss about the new emerging technologies in the field of science. So the first one we're gonna discuss is Android. Android is a type of robot with different functionality, and you can have your different works done with the help of Androids. Androids are basically the prototypes of the robots highly advanced. Over to you, Shushti.
Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Srishti. Today I'm talking about wave obstacle detector. So basically to detect the obstacle through wave which are undetectable through vision. So using waves to detect any obstacle on railway tracks. The idea is like the railway tracks are made of metals. When the tracks have an obstacle, may it be anything like any living thing or any cracks, there is change in medium at that point. So if the traveling train transmits waves through the track, then when the wave encounters an obstacle, there will be change in medium. This change in medium will result in the phenomenon of absorption, reflection, and transmission. Thus, the transmitted wave will travel through the obstacle rails and the reflected wave will travel through the rails back to the traveling train. The signal can be attached to a sound system which will alert the driver in case of any obstacle, and thus you won't require constant monitoring of it. We can use it to detect the vehicles on road while on sharp turns and traffic roads as well, to detect the living obstacles on the road. So over to you, Sakshi.
Thank you, Srushti. As we are using the technology in the different field, I'm going to explain overspeeding vehicle detector. It is a one device which detect the speed of the vehicle, as there are most of the road users are quite well aware of the general rules and safety measures while using the roads, but there are some people which do not use that safety measures. So because of these people, most unwanted things are happen, that is a road accident. It is because of the high speed of the vehicle. So to reduce that accidents, we are using the over-speeding vehicle detector. It detects the rash driving. It works on the digital technology, and also there is a one police uses the handheld radar gun and aims at the vehicle to record its speed. If the speed of the vehicle exceeds speed limit, the nearest police station is informed to stop the speeding of the vehicle. That radar gun is also using the laser technology. Over to you, Bhagyesh.
Hello, I'm Bhagyesh. My topic is develop a brand new invention. There are six steps to this topic. Come up with an invention idea and don't lose it. Make sure your idea is really your idea. Research your future competitors. Name your invention. Protect your product. And the last step is let's recap. We have taken you through the first 5 steps of turning your invention idea into a product. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Here we discussed the newly emerging technologies, and we hope to change our and inculcate them in our life. We are thankful to our PBL instructor, Mr. Prasad Joshi, for providing us this opportunity. Thank you very much.